Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. In this video, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to send assets cross-chain. I'm sure by now you guys have heard of Terra Network and you've heard of the Binance chain. The protocols that are being developed on these networks are producing some of the fattest yields in the industry. And oftentimes when you get into a nice pool, the yield doesn't last too long. Once other people find out about it, then they plow their capital in, diluting everybody's yield. And so for this reason, it's good to know how to transverse the various chains, because if you can go from BSC to Terra to Ethereum, you can easily optimize your yield by making sure that your capital is deployed where the APY is the most lucrative. So for this example, let's say I'm in this pool here with the yield of 120%. And over here on PancakeSwap, I noticed that I can get 145%. Now that may not be compelling enough for you guys to shift over your liquidity to this pool here, but sometimes the differences can be pretty significant. When this pool first launched, the APY or the APR was roughly 300%. Another thing you guys should take into account is the asset that you're receiving. On PancakeSwap, you're going to be given cake tokens to give you this 140%. In contrast, on the Mirror protocol, this 120% is distributed in the MIR token. So let's say I made the commitment and I wanted to transfer my assets on the Mirror protocol over to PancakeSwap on BSC. When you select Terra here to the left, it'll prompt you to connect to your Terra Station wallet. And if you didn't know already, Terra Station is basically the MetaMask of the Terra Network. And so once connected, your balances are going to be populated. You just select the asset that you want to transfer. Next, over here in this field, type in the amount that you want to transfer over. And in this field, copy and paste your Binance Smart Chain address. Once you've copied and pasted your address, below you'll see the gas fee, the network fee, and the shuttle fee displayed. It'll automatically subtract that from the amount that you're sending. Once you've confirmed all the details and you're okay with the transaction fee, then go ahead and click next. And on this page, you'll get your last chance to finalize the transaction. Once you've looked over the details again, go ahead and click on confirm. Then you can go ahead and confirm the transaction on Terra Station. After you've confirmed your transaction on the Terra Station, you should see the following display prompted. Once you see this confirmation here, it should only take a few seconds for you to receive your UST in your Binance address. And as you can see here, I have exactly 1 UST in my wallet that I can freely trade on PancakeSwap. And remember, you can also send your assets from Terra to Ethereum. So if you're planning to yield farm, for example, if you wanted to go over to Harvest at Finance and you want to provide liquidity to one of these pools here, so what you could do instead of starting on Ethereum is start on Terra, where the fees are a lot cheaper, purchase all the assets and make all the changes you need to make. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and send the relevant assets over to Ethereum in order to provide liquidity into one of those pools. That could help save you a little bit on gas cost. And remember, always dig around before providing liquidity. For example, here on Auto Farm, you can actually provide liquidity into one of these equity pairs, and this protocol will automatically compound your yields for you. And auto compounding might not seem like it's a big deal, but over time, it makes a really big difference. I mean, just to illustrate the point, if you were providing liquidity to the ANC/USD pair on Anchor protocol, you would receive a yield of 167%. Now, if you were to compound that daily, your yield would actually end up being 530% versus 167%. Now, if you're interested, I'm open to doing a video on a few protocols that auto compound for you. If enough of you guys comment down below, I'll make sure to do a video in the near future. Or you guys can join my private Discord. I have an entire channel dedicated to Binance Chain Talk. This is where me and my community will publish yield farming opportunities that we're pursuing. It's a great forum for you guys to learn through dialogue. And if you're interested in Terra or yield farming in general, it's another place for you guys to come and share thoughts and insights. And if Discord is a little bit too much for you or it's not your thing, at the very least, I'd recommend joining me here on Twitter. Anytime I come across useful tools, good projects, good yield farming opportunities, oftentimes I'll publish them here on Twitter. So if you're interested in joining my Twitter or joining me on Discord, make sure you guys check out the description below to find the relevant links. And if you don't have the time to dig through Discord or go through my tweets, but you want to keep up with my moves in real time, even if you join one of the lower tiers here at $20 per month, you'll get access to all my private channels. That's where I publish my moves and market analysis in real time. Or if you want to expedite your learning, and rather than sitting through hours of my videos, by joining one of the higher tiers, you can even have dialogue with me one-on-one. If you feel like any of these services would be useful to you, the link to my Patreon can be found in the description below. With that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is CryptoOneStop signing out. I'll talk to you folks next time. Bye.